So let's break down the trades. And just before that, if you guys don't have the Falcon contents, I have all the things that you need to start trading the Falcon way, right? The things that I have are the Falcon mechanics, the forward, the reward, the AFT, the reward, and like the fast weaponers, right? And the most important thing is the hybrid trading. And if you guys don't have it, if you guys want something like some specific one, all you have to do is just message me there here in the Telegram, and I will be more than happy to give all those things for a small amount of price, right? So let's break down the trades. So as we can see, we got rated from this value point on the weekly time frame, and and there is still a gap that needs to be filled to the downside, right? That's why we are selling this thing. And let's move to the daily time frame. As we can see, we have been reacting impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, big correction, and then impulse. This is what I was expecting, right? And when we go to the 4 hour time frame and see, like, try to understand what the market is trying to tell us, right? As you can see, we got reacted from there, and I was actually expecting a sell-off from this one, but the market didn't react as the way that I wanted, and it goes opposite ways, means it wants to go up to the upside, right? As we can see here, it is a 4 hour structure, impulse correction impulse. We got a B-type structure in the 4 hour time frame, and then a 3-day continuation structure. I think we took a buys on here, right? Last week, not last week, I guess last month maybe. Um, so and then the market got directed from there. I was looking for buys, and I think I took a buys on this pair also, but after some time the momentum has dropped, and then it start selling to the downside. And also the fact that we got rated from there, which makes more sense that we are going to the downside, and it is developing more like a big structure, right? As we can see, impulse, as we can see here, a big correction, a bit squeezy, that's for sure. And in the H1 time frame, as we can zoom in a bit, here is the main value point right up there, right? As we can see here, price got right from there, impulse, correction, impulse, and then we go the second impulse, correction, impulse here, impulse, correction, impulse. And the good thing about this trade is that we have still the gap near to this low, right? That's why we are in a sub category, sub zone to trade this one. And also the fact that we got right there from there, as we can see, impulse, correction, impulse, and there is still a room to go to the downside. Why? Because there is a gap here, and we are simply playing this range, right? We are simply playing this range right there, these two range. So we are in a sub zone. As we can see, we can actually see the entry in the H1 time frame, so we have to move to the 15-minute time frame. And then, as you can see, I was actually looking to sell off from this one, but we didn't get the reaction that we wanted, the rejection that we wanted. The price moved to the upside, tap here, moves to the downside, give us the 15-minute to the insurance entry with a perfect middle section in it. As we can see, miss gap, try to fill up the gap again, miss gap, and then push to the downside, came back to the upside to fill up the gap. 1, 2, 3. And then I just took it right around there, put my stop loss around here, 7%, 5%. All I did was set a 5% TP. That's it. Easy and simple trade. Again, we can get another entry because we are trading beneath this range, like range 1, range 2, right? So we are trading under between this range. So we are in a safe zone, even better than this one. Well, this one is also good, but this one is even better than that of the last one. If we have a lovely structure just like this one here, then I will be more than happy to take this trade again. So let's see how it goes, bro. This one is simply a lovely trade. So all you have to do is just not force the things or just try to understand what the market is trying to show you, trying to tell you something, right? So you have to think about in the sense of volume, in the sense of mitigating the risks, right? Always making the right decision, always trying to take the high probability trade, means the low risk trade, and then also make sure you time the entry perfectly, right? So you need to use the correct way of taking those trades, right? So those are the main things that you need to do. Eh, if let's suppose we don't have this gap, then I will not going to take this trade at all, right? That's too much risk in it, right? That means if we don't have this trade, if we don't have this gap right there, that means the price has also a chance to moving up to the upside, right? That adds another layer of risk into this trade. So you have to always think about like what is uh, what makes this trade a lower risk trade, and if it is a higher risk trade, how can I make this trade to a lower risk one, right? So that must be your goal as a trader. That's it.